Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video for you. I want to discuss 5 things you should talk about or discuss before cutting the cable cord. The reason I'm doing this video is because I do get emails, and a lot of times people say, where do I start? How do I start? So I really want to go over this list that I created right here on things to do or what to look for or how to be successful with cutting the cable cord. Now guys, my step 1, if you followed me, I always say discuss it with your family. Now if you're a bachelor or bachelorette, you can skip this part, but to everyone else who has a family, a wife, a husband, some kids, kid running around, you really want to discuss it with your family. You just don't want to come in and drop the sledgehammer, the kids come home or your wife come home and you say, surprise, there's some major changes and you don't know how to use the product yourself. So you really want to discuss the matter. Maybe discuss it at dinner. Take everyone out and say, hey, you know, these bills are getting out of hand, really this cable bill, and I really want to cut back on it. So have a discussion, see what everyone like. Discuss it with the wife. Hey, babe, what is your favorite channels? And wives, discuss it with your husband. Hey, babe, what is your favorite? A lot of times it's really simple. Some of them say, hey, as long as I got Lifetime, as long as I got OWN, I got Bravo, VH1, I am good. A lot of the guys will say, I just want to watch my sports. Whenever I turn on TV, I want to be able to watch sports. And the kids, guys, you know, you got Cartoon Network, Disney, you got PBS, you got a whole lot of stations, guys. But what I've learned by the ages of 3 to like 16, 17, a lot of the kids watch YouTube. So they may not even care. So just discuss it with your family before making this big change, guys. It's all about the experience and making your household happy. Now, the second step is, guys, a lot of times you can just call your cable provider. Say, hey, what specials are y'all running? Because I'm paying this top price and maybe they got a special that no one even told you about, or they can put you in for like a year or 2 that will cut the cost. A lot of times people just cut the cord and they get frustrated when you could have just called the cable provider. Also, as you talking to your cable provider, it's always good to ask them what's your network speed for your internet. Say, hey, what's my download speed I'm paying for? What's my upload? Because you're going to need that in the long run. Just remember that. So write this down. As you talking to your provider, if they don't have a package for you or, you know, to save you a lot of money, then guys, ask them for your upload and your download speeds of your internet. Very important down the line. But a lot of times you can call your provider. I know a few people that call their providers and they got a way greater deal than what it is to cut the cable cord. All right, with the internet, phones, and the cable, they're paying like $80, you know, and they got decent speed. So just call your provider, guys. You just never know. Okay. Step 3, select your device. All right. When you select your device or you like a device, then research it. So if you like an Nvidia Shield, research it before you buy it. Just know the cost of it. The Fire Stick 4K, great device. Check it out. Research it. Look at some videos. Google it. And then make your choice. It's cheaper. Do you want an expensive device? Do you want a cheaper device that just works? Also, you got the Cube TVs, you know, another great streaming device. All your streaming devices should be great. And then you got the Android TV boxes. Always, guys, look at it, research it, go on Amazon, look at the prices, go to Best Buy, look at the prices, and then see which ones you think that will work. I do believe every home should have an Nvidia Shield. You want to witness that power. Now, do every TV need an Nvidia Shield? The answer is no. But I do believe every home should have, if it's in the budget, should have an Nvidia Shield, guys. Great. Also, let me give you another pointer. Going forward, make sure when you purchase these devices, make sure if you get an Android box, Nvidia Shield, let it be 3 gigabytes of RAM, and also 16 on internal storage. Now, when you get the Fire Stick 4K, you know you already limited. That means if you get a stick, guys, just know you can't be putting the biggest Kodi build on there. You can't be putting 100 applications because you are very limited. All right, very limited. That's why I tell you, do your research. But don't get a 1 gig RAM box. Don't even get a 2 gig RAM box. Look for 3 gigs or higher. A lot of Android TV boxes that are coming out now, they are like $50, and they are 4 gigabytes on the RAM, 32 on the ROM. So think of that, guys. Step 4. When you get your devices, play with them. I don't know why people do not play with their devices. They look, look, there's nothing wrong with asking questions, but play with your devices, guys. Do your research. A lot of things can be solved if you just do a little research. Research is not hard. Meaning, if I get the Fire TV Stick 4K, I'm going to YouTube to see what people are talking about it. I'm going to YouTube to see how to add applications to that device. I'm seeing what are the best applications for that device. Okay, it's very important that you learn your device. If you get the Shield, learn it, play with it. You shouldn't email me and say, hey Dale, how do I set the time on it? I'm gonna tell you, you haven't did your research, because a lot of times you can go on the Shield and you can change the time. You can go on these Android TV boxes and change the time. That's all you have to do is just research it, guys. Research it. Also, look for the best apps that work for that application. Very simple, guys. Not every application is going to work on the Fire Stick. Not every application is going to work on the Shield. Not every application will work on an Android TV box. Just know what device you're getting. Play with it. Install an application on it. If it don't work, uninstall it. Move to the next one. It's as simple as that. And then see and play with it, guys. That's all you have to do. Remember, if you don't play with your device, you will never learn your device. If you don't learn it, you're not going to have a great experience. So it's very, very, very important to play with your device and learn the applications that will work on your device. Last, guys, stay up to date with your applications. All right, stay up to date. See what works. You got applications that change every single day. They update every single day. You need to know this. Now, I know you're not going to watch your streaming device every day, but come on, at least once every 2 weeks, go on there, update your applications, make sure everything works. Because at the end of the day, guys, when everybody come behind and they start using these devices and it don't work, it's going to cause problems in your home. I'm telling you. I am telling you. Just know that technology and applications change every single day. That's why it is your job to stay on top of it. Go to your favorite YouTuber, search it, Google it, and see what the updates are. Not every YouTuber is going to give you the correct information. We know that. Not every YouTuber is meant to give you the wrong information. We know that. But just get about 2 or 3 of them and just stay up to date. Email them. If they give you access to them, like myself, email me and say, hey Dale, did TV Zion update on your end? Is TV Zion working on your Shield? I can check it right here and give you an answer when I'm available. It's as simple as that, guys. All right. And let me give you a bonus tip, and this is it. Once you get done, guys, for the very best experience, invest in your home network, meaning your modem and your router. 2 separate devices. Do not purchase a combination. Do not purchase a combination. Get you a modem, get you a router. Okay? Those are 2 different devices that do 2 different things. And I'm telling you, it will give you a better experience. Now, I do know with some providers, they will not allow you to use your own modem. And that's fine and dandy. Ask them to see if you can use your own router. It makes a big difference with your experience, including if your device is on Wi-Fi. Remember, the cable provider or the internet provider, when you use their equipment, those are budget devices, just like when you get a budget Android box for $45, $55. It's meant to just get you by. It's not meant to be there long, maybe like up to 2 to 3 years, and then you're going to have to get another device. All right, unlike like the Fire TV Cube or the Amazon Fire TV Stick or Nvidia Shield, because those devices update. Some of these Android budget boxes will never update. So again, budget devices are not the best. When you have your own equipment, I'm guaranteed you, your experience with streaming will skyrocket. All right, it will give you some of the best streaming possible out there. Not to say every now and then you won't have a hiccup, but just know it won't be coming from your end. All right, your end. So a couple things I want to remind you. When you call your internet provider, know your download, know your upload. Okay, always check your device. Update the applications, see what applications work best on that device. And finally, guys, when it's all said and done, I want you to work on your home network, meaning your internet. See what devices you can get that are compatible with your internet provider, guys. I guarantee you will thank me for it. I want to say, if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, click that bell icon. That way, anytime I go live or I do a video, you will get notified. Guys, let me know if I missed anything. Leave it in the comments and we'll revisit this topic, maybe on the live show. I do live shows Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and Friday 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come join me. Again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, click that bell, also click that thumbs up. Share this video, guys, in your group. That way you can help someone. Salute to everyone, and I'll talk to you on the next video. This is Superdell. I am out. Peace.